Hi, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Easter's coming up, so that means it's time to start decorating. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a few burlap bunny decorations. So let's get started.
For the stuffed bunny, the materials you will need are 1 yard of natural burlap, 1 yard of broadcloth, scissors, polyester stuffing, the bunny decoration template, which can be downloaded from our website, ribbon, pins or clips, a needle and thread, and a sewing machine. Print, cut, and tape together the bunny decorations template. Cut the largest bunny shape out of the burlap. Cut 2 pieces of broadcloth using the medium-sized bunny. Also, cut a 12-inch strip of ribbon. Pin the pieces of broadcloth together. Also, take the 12-inch strip of ribbon and place it between the fabrics with 1 inch sticking in each ear. Sew around the edge of the bunny using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Leave an opening at the bottom of the bunny so you can stuff it. Pin the burlap to the bunny and sew around the edges of the broadcloth again so the burlap is secured to the front. Leave the bottom open like before. Fill the bunny with polyester stuffing. Sew the opening closed. Sew a bow onto your bunny and add any other decorations. See our 5 ways to tie a bow tutorial for details. For the bunny garland, the materials you will need are 1 yard of natural burlap, the bunny decoration template, tulle, ribbon, pins or clips, twine, and an embroidery needle, a needle and thread, and scissors. Assemble the small bunny template. Cut as many of the smallest bunny shapes out of the burlap as you want. The more bunnies you cut, the longer your garland can be. Sew a bow onto each bunny. Make tulle pom-poms for your banner. See our 5 ways to tie a bow tutorial for details. Using an embroidery needle and twine, sew alternating bunnies and pom-poms. Go in and out of both ears of the bunnies, starting from the back. And now your garland is ready to hang.
These bunny decorations are super easy to make, and they're a fun way to welcome people to your home for Easter. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.